Welcome back, DIY enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting lineup of home improvement tutorials that will help you transform your living spaces. Whether you're a seasoned DIY expert or just starting out, this video has something for everyone. So grab your tools and let's get started. Before we dive into the tutorials, let's talk about the essentials every DIYer should have. Building a comprehensive toolkit is essential for any successful project. We recommend having a hammer, screwdrivers of various sizes, a tape measure, a level, and safety gear like gloves and goggles. Trust me, these will come in handy. Our first tutorial is all about painting walls like a pro. Many of us want to add a fresh coat of paint to our homes, but the process can be intimidating. Fear not. I'll guide you through each step, from prepping the walls to achieving that perfect finish. We'll cover the tools you'll need, choosing the right paint, and some handy tips and tricks along the way. Next up, we have a tutorial on building a DIY shelf. It's a fantastic way to add storage and showcase your favorite items. I'll take you through the entire process, including selecting the right wood, measuring and cutting, assembling, and finally, mounting the shelf securely on the wall. You'll be amazed at how easy it can be. Now, let's turn our attention to furniture refurbishment. Upcycling old furniture not only saves money but also adds a unique touch to your home. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transform this worn-out piece into a stunning focal point using some sanding, painting, and reupholstering techniques. It's a great way to give new life to old treasures. Our final tutorial revolves around creating a stunning mosaic backsplash for your kitchen or bathroom. It's a fantastic way to add a touch of color and personality to these often overlooked spaces. We'll cover everything from choosing the right tiles and adhesives to designing the pattern and grouting. You'll be amazed at the transformation. That concludes our DIY and home improvement tutorials today. I hope you found these tips and tricks helpful and feel inspired to tackle your own projects. Remember, with a little patience, practice, and the right tools, you can achieve incredible results. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY goodness. Until next time, happy crafting!